Welcome to Tech Aarambham. Want to configure your Cisco switch but not sure where to start? Today, I'll show you how to connect your laptop using a console cable step by step. Step 1. Identify your console cable. This is the modern USB console cable. It connects your laptop's USB port directly to the switch's console port. Step 2. Locate the console port on the switch. Find the port labeled console. It's usually light blue and placed near the Ethernet ports. Step 3. Power on the switch. Before continuing, make sure your Cisco switch is connected to a power socket and turned on. Without power, your console connection will not work. Step 4. Connect the cable to the switch. Plug the RJ45 end of the console cable firmly into the console port until it clicks. Step 5. Connect the cable to your laptop. Now plug the USB-A or USB-C end into your laptop's port. Windows will automatically install the driver for it. Step 6. Find the COM port number on your laptop. Right-click on the Start button and select Device Manager. Expand the section called Ports, COM and LPT. You'll see something like USB serial port COM3 or COM4. Note down that COM number, we'll need it next. If you don't see any port listed, reconnect the cable or install the FTDI driver. Step 7. Download and install PuTTY if it's not available. Go to the official PuTTY website at putty.org. Download and install the latest version for Windows. Once installed, open the PuTTY application. Step 8. Configure PuTTY. In PuTTY, select connection type as serial. In the serial line box, enter your COM number, for example, COM3. Set the speed or baud rate to 9600. Then click Open. Step 9. Access the switch command line. A black terminal window will open. If you see a blank screen, just press Enter once. You should now see the Cisco Switch command line interface. You are connected. Step 10. You are ready to configure your switch. That's it. You've successfully connected your laptop to a Cisco switch using a console cable and PuTTY. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned to Tech Aarambham for more Cisco, networking, and IT tutorials.